answer for this. What is the first step? ಮರ್ತೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಕರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ you can start doing. What is the first step? We have to find out the tension, where I have to find out the velocity. What is the first step? We have to find out the tension, where we need to find out the velocity. Tension na ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡೋಣ. We will start writing the tension. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Tension ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, if they ask you, if they have given the velocity directly, put an imaginary box. Put an imaginary box. Put an imaginary box. The tension is always away from this T. The tension is T. Correct? If this tension is T, it will box up the tension 2T na. Super. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ same wire and here tension is T na. Correct? Super. 2/3 exactly right. 2/3 is right answer. So ನೋಡೋಣ. Let me go with this first. Even first ನೋಡೋಣ. Let me solve for this. Same direction, opposite direction. They are asking us to find out the velocity. I have to apply power up. Power apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? They are moving in opposite direction or same direction. Tension in this direction, velocity opposite direction. Negative minus 2T. Correct? Observe here. Velocity upward, tension upward. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Same direction, positive. Plus 2T into V. 2T into V. Ill velocity direction same, tension direction same, again positive. TV is equals to 0. Send this toward the side. 3TV is equals to 2T. TT will cancel. V is equals to 2/3 meter per second. I got an answer. 2/3 meter per second. Right? Any doubt with this question? Find out the tension, where I have to find out the velocity first. Tension na find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Tension na find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು apply our trick. Tension trick na apply ಮಾಡಿ. Tension trick na apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get an answer for this. Shall I continue? Next question ಹೋಗೋಣ. Next.
Yes, sir.
Super. Shall I go to next question? Super. Right. ನೋಡಿ, I wait for your answers. ನೀವೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದು 2-3 minutes ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So I have a box. And there is a pulley and there is one more pulley here. So I have one more box. I have one more pulley here. So it is connected with, it is traveling with velocity u. It is traveling with 3 times of u in this direction. It is traveling with 3 times of u in this direction. And find out the value of u. Find out the value of v. Find out the value of v. They have not given the direction of v here. They have not given the direction of v. What you will do? Assumption direction coding. Given assumption direction. Right? So if you get answer as positive, your direction is right. If you get answer as negative, your assumption direction is wrong. That means it is moving against to that. Start ಮಾಡಿ, try ಮಾಡಿ. Direction ಬೇಕು first. To apply tension trick, we need the direction of V. Assumption direction ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು direction ಕೊಡಿ. Assumption. What is the answer? ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾ? What is the assumption direction? Kodi, ನೋಡಿ. Let me assume it is moving in this direction. Assumption. Let me assume that it is moving in this direction. Positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ direction correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ direction opposite ಇದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, don't take tension. Right? So ನೋಡೋಣ, tension ಬರೀತಾವಣ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ. Box. It is away T here. Correct? If it is T, E box ಹತ್ರ 2T. If it is T, E box ಹತ್ರ 2T. So either T
minus 4u.
2T.
Sir, minus 4u.
Minus 4
U.
No, check. So ಇದರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟಿ ಈಗ ಬರ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಒನ್ ಬರೀತಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಡನ್ ಇದ್ರ ಕತೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಡನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ 2d 3u in the same direction add agata sorry plus irta 3 2s are 6 times of tu plus into same direction 6 times of tu done idu kada mugite il barada so this is in the same direction plus 2 times of tv idu same plus tv is equals to 0 nodi tu ಇದೆ so let me keep tu as it is tu illon tu ಇದೆ so it will become 12 times of tu plus 3 times of tv is equals to 0 ಇದು 11 times of tu is equals to minus 3 times of tv td cancel therefore they are asking us to find the value of b is equals to minus 11 by 3 times of u minus 11 by 3 times of u. What do you mean by minus here? My assumption direction is wrong. Actually, this clock is moving in this direction. Correct? Opposite direction, exactly. It is moving in opposite direction. What is the velocity of this? The velocity is here 11 by 3 meter per second in this direction. 11 by 3 meter per second in this direction. Is it right? Mathematics. I'm not getting any response for this question. A question related to figure. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಯು ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಯು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಇಸ್
ಸರ್ T3U ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ
T3U
T3U ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ better ಈಗ ಬೇಡ
Yes sir.
ನೋ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪವರ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ F into V power is equals to F into V ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ 3U the block is moving I am pulling a rope each and every point ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪವರ್ you have to find out the power at each and every point ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆಯಾ u ಇದೆಯಾ u ಇದೆ
U sir.
therefore tu is the power at this point minus because they are opposite fine super next ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ come near to this box and ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ actually ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು sorry total tension ಎಷ್ಟು 14 ನ same direction 2 plus 2 14 na 40 in this direction 3u in this direction add agate 20u na correct 40 in this direction u 3u in this direction 4 3s are 12 into tu 20u right
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
you block 3 plus sorry 2 plus t 3t 3t is acting in this direction. I have assumed that velocity in this direction. So add agate 3tv. So simplification of this minus 1 to my assumption is opposite to the direction of the momentum. Any doubt in this? Bega comment madre we can move or else I can repeat this.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
Very good. That's point. Common ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ The question is like this. The pulley, this pulley is moving with 3 meter per second and force apply madidini. Again, I got box number 1 moving up with velocity 1 meter per second. Again, it is connected to a pulley. Box number 2 moving up with velocity 2 meter per second. Moving up with velocity 2 meter per second. So this is box number 3. We have to find out the value of V. We have to find out the value of V. This is the question. Try it. What is the first step? What is the first step? Assume the direction of this V. Assumption code. Assume the direction of V and find the tension. First step in mind. Assumption of the direction of V in this direction. Let me assume it is moving in this direction. Positive badre correct, negative badre wrong assumption. Don't take tension. Find out the tension next. Super. Find out the tension next. Either a box for the time. If you get this kind of box, go from the lower. I recommend you to go from the lower. It's not a difficult task. But go from the lower, easy question. So easy you look away tension T. You look away tension T. If this is T, this is T. What is the tension here?
2T.
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 If this is 2T, same fire. So here also 2T na?
2T. Yes.
2T. Easy item. Easy item. If you get this kind of question, go from the bottom. Tension bottom in the easy. You can also write T by 2. You can still write T by 2 yaak circles ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Correct? Why you want the T by 2 again? Confusion avoid ಮಾಡೋಣ. So T, 2T, T. ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ careful ಆಗಿ apply ಮಾಡಿ. In direction ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, I'll put a box here. Tension ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Box in the away in this direction. It is 14. Is it right? I have written the box there. Box, Punit, box. Ade tak madidinu 20T. No, box. Il box bರುತ್ತೆ. I'm pulling this box. 40 active in this direction. E direction irutte 40. Wow, super. Apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. First one, opposite to each other. 4 4s are 16. 16T. First one done. Is it done? Second, same direction means same direction 2T into 1, 2T. This is also in same direction plus 2T into 1, 2 into T, 2T plus same direction T into V is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. 12, exactly right. 12 is right. So 2T. Let's try to 40 minus 16T, 12T is equals to TV. Sorry, plus TV is equals to 0. TV is equals to minus 20. PT get cancelled. Sorry, plus PT get cancelled. V is equals to 12 meter per second. Direction ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. How many of you get this question? Correct answer is another one. How many of you have a doubt with this question? Beg respond ಮಾಡಿ. I need response. If you don't respond, I will stay here. How many of you get this question? Simple idea. What is the difficulty in this? You have to write the tension direction. That is the task. Tension direction you are done with this. So if they are applying a force, in force is that, I repeat again and again. If they are applying, if it is moving with a velocity 4 in this direction, put an imaginary box. Write the direction for tension for that box. confusion avoid ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm avoiding the confusion. Correct? Put a box here. Write the direction opposite to that box. Done. 40 in this direction. Why 40? T plus T. 2T. 2T plus 2T. 40 na? Right, Kanda? So you will go from the bottom. If there is this kind of blocks, go from the bottom and write the tensions. Any doubt? Shall we move? Shall we move? So I think I have taken all possible cases in this. Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ. You have to practice on this so that you will get an answers. You can answer this kind of question in the examinations. So this kind of questions will be there for this week examination. Take it as very serious and practice. Write the direction of the tension. Write the direction of the tension. If you write the direction of the tension, you are done. Right? Next concept over. So next concept over. Next, we'll move to constrained motion. Constrained motion over. We'll move to constrained motion next. Right? Super. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ concentration increase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. We will derive a formula for that. That formula is very important to solve the problem related to constrained motion. So what do you mean by constrained motion ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ very simple ended. ನೋಡೋಣ. Next concept ಬರುತ್ತೆ constrained motion. So I just place, think it is a wall. ಇದು ಒಂದು wall, ಇದು ಒಂದು wall. They are 90 degree with each other. I have a wall which is 90 degree with each other. Correct? One horizontal and another vertical. Correct? I have a wall. So what I will do? I'll put a ladder here. Ladder. I'll put a ladder here with an angle of theta. With an angle of theta from horizontal. With an angle of theta from the horizontal. Right? Observe, theta will never be more than 90 degree. E case. Correct? Very simple. Theta will never be more than 90 degree. 90 degree ನಮಗೆ 90 degree ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Degree ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It never be more than 90 degree. Correct? So super. Let me assume this end is moving with the velocity u. Ha sir. Eni ಜಾರದಿರೋ. Very simple. ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಬಿಡಿ sir. Eni ಜಾರದಿರೋ. This is what I can tell. So this end is moving with the velocity u. This end is moving with the velocity u. What happens for this end? Whether this move up or whether it move down. Down. Now observe, ladder is that ladder will move ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. This will move in this direction and this will move in this direction. Correct? I repeat the concept. If the lower end is moving with the velocity u and upper end will move with the downward direction with the velocity v ಅಂತ assumption ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let me assume the upper end is moving with the velocity v in this direction and lower end is moving with the velocity u in this direction. Concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Are you getting my concept? ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ನ ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಜಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದು ಕೂಡ ಜಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಶ್ಯೂರಾ? ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸೂಪರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, they will give the value of u and they will ask you to find the value of v. They will give the value of v and they will ask you to find the value of u. Sir, they will give the value of u and they will ask you to find the value of uv and they will give the value of v and they will ask you to find the value of u. Sometimes they will give the both the values u and v equal to theta calculator. One, three cases. Only three cases in this. One, they may give the value of u and they will ask you to find the value of v. Second case, they can give the value of v and they will ask you to find the value of u. Second case, and some case they will give the value of u and v. They will ask you to find out the angle theta. Theta angle elli barutte talele idkolli first. Theta angle elli barutte illi barutte. Theta will be here. Correct? Theta will be here. Super. Next question. Yaar answer martini nodi. If time increases, then question very simple. You can answer this question very directly. Time jote, if time increases, this value will be with respect to time change agutta agalla. U value with respect to time change agutta agalla.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
It was like this with respect to time. U value change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ u value? Change in the sense it is acting, it is moving. Even though it is moving with a constant velocity ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, constant velocity ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ u ಜೊತೆ theta change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, u ಜೊತೆ theta Sorry. T ಜೊತೆ theta change ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Does the value of theta changes with you? Yes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು position change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇರುವುದು. Initially ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು with respect to t ಹೋದಾಗ sometime it reaches here. After some time it reaches here. Correct? ಈ end position change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Right? So ಆ position ನ with respect to time differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. dx by dt along x direction. Let me call this distance from here to here is x and let me call this distance is y. This distance y(x) anta barutte. So dx by dt. What is x? X is called position. Matadi serious ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X is called position. Change in position with respect to change in time called. What we call for that?
Velocity.
Velocity direction ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? u ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಾ? Let me write it as u. Positive or negative? V direction. Positive. Super. Done with this. Second, differentiation of y with respect to t. This is also position. It is changing its position. Differentiation of position with respect to time is again it is velocity. Correct. Again it is velocity. The velocity is downward direction. Let me take it as negative. Is cut off right. Is step of right. X ನೋಡಿ dx by dt. We call it as u. So position along x direction we call it as u. So u positive, v negative. So are you getting my point? Artha aita first point. Second, let the length of this is equals to n. ನೋಡೋಣ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2-3 ವಿಷಯನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಡು ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೈನಲ್. ಆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್? ಸೂಪರ್. ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಇದೆ. x square plus y square is equals to l square. Pythagoras theorem. X square plus y square is equal to l square. Differentiate this with respect to t. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 2x dx by dt. I am differentiating with respect to t. Plus differentiate this with respect to t. 2y dy by dt. Correct? 2y dy by dt. Super. L value change ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Does the value of L changes?
No, sir.
No. L value is constant. Length of the ladder change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ length ಇರುತ್ತೆ. L value. Does it changes?
No, sir.
Respond. L value does not changes. What is the differentiation of constant?
0.
Differentiation of constant is 0. Let me put this. I'll send this to the side. 2x dx by dt is equals to minus 2y dy by dt. So this 2 get cancelled. X agade kadistini. Dx by dt is equals to minus y by x into dx dy by dt. What is dx by dt? U is equals to minus y by x na nodi. Y by x theta ilide. Apply tan theta for us. Tan theta involved. Y by x. Y by x directly. Can I write it as tan theta?
Yes, sir.
Tan theta. Dy by dt is minus v. Therefore, u is equals to tan theta into v. Therefore, u is equals to v tan theta. Therefore, u is equals to v tan theta. Therefore, u is equals to v tan theta. Remember this formula. U is equals to v tan theta. U is equals to v tan theta. What is u? X. What is v? Y direction. Tan theta. The formula is very simple. They will give the value of u. They will give the value of v. They will ask you to find the value of theta. Can you find? Super.
Yes, sir.
They will give the value of v. They will ask you to find the value of u. Can you find by using this formula? Super. They will give the value of u. They will give the value of theta. They will ask you to find the value of v. Can you find the value of v from this data? Super. Formula for constraint motion is u is equal to v tan theta.
ಸರ್
Yes, Puneet.
ಸರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Differentiation ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
It is in the form of x to the power of n ಕಂಡ. X to the power of n differentiation ಏನು? n into x to the power of n
minus 1.
So x to the power of 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡ? X to the power of 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2.
2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So that is
ಸರ್ into dx by dt ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್? ಸರ್ into dx by dt ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. I am differentiating this x with respect to t. ಇದು x ನ with respect to t ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I have to differentiate that axis with respect to t na. 2x I don't know whether it is moving along x axis. Differentiate ಮಾಡೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ 2x dx by dt ಕಾತ.
How dt sir? Dt sir. dx by dt how
dx by dt. ಪುನೀತ್ ತಲೆಬೇಕು ಈ x axis ನ with respect to t differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. With respect to t, differentiation of this will become 2x, and with respect to t differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will become dx by dt. Usually ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, but ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if it is a function of t ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ dx by dt. If it is not a function of t, are you getting my point? Again I have to differentiate with respect to t. ಕಲಿತೀರಾ mathematics ಅಲ್ಲಿ in depth ಕಲಿತೀರಾ. Mathematics will learn this, don't take tension. So
sure.
Yes Priyanka.
Sir, I didn't get this first step sir.
First
Here
step?
on the side I didn't get it sir. d into x by dt is equal to u. I didn't get it sir. The first step.
First step again. Super. Listen. Differentiation of x with respect to t in bರುತ್ತೆ. Differentiation of position with respect to t in bರುತ್ತೆ. Velocity. Velocity. Differentiation of position with respect to t. Velocity. Correct. I name it as u because it is positive. Right. Differentiation of position with respect to time. Again it is velocity. Differentiation of position with respect to t. Again it is velocity. So I take this as a velocity, it is moving down, so I have taken it as negative. Right? Right? Puneet, munde kalitia, don't tension. You learn all those things in mathematics clearly, right? So position, if it is function of t, idu ಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. If it is function of other function, you have to differentiate this also with respect to t again. Right? So y 2y dy by dt. So ಇದು simplification simple. So remember this formula. ನನಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ steps ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I prove that how it will be. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು u is equal to v tan theta. U is equals to v tan theta. Done. ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಿಳಿಯಲ್ಲ. Take it as very serious. Shall we start problem based on this? Shall we start doing problem based on this? Simple ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, problems simple ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Shall we start? ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. We derived that. That's all. We derived that. So relative velocity ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We can derive it relative velocity also. ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Think this is moving with velocity 3 meter per second. ಈ ಕಡೆ 3 meter per second ಇದೆ. Find out the value of u if theta is 37 degree. Find out the value of u, sorry v, if theta is 37 degree. If theta is 37 degree. What is the formula to find out the velocity v? We have a formula, v is equals to v tan theta. U is equals to v tan theta. Then let go uv tale bitbidi. Forget about that uv. Think x axis is equals to y axis into tan theta. Remember this. X axis is equals to y axis into tan theta. X axis 3, y axis don't know. remember this very seriously. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. X-axis is equals to y-axis into tan theta. Super. Theta value 37 degrees. Substitute the values. This is 3. We have to find out the value of V. Then tan 37 degrees. What is tan 37 degree? Who will tell? Direct tan 37 degree. What is
3 by
tan
4.
37? 3 by 4. Super. What is tan 37 degree? 3 by 4. So therefore, V is equals to what happens? 3 into 4 divided by 3. 3 cancel. It is equals to 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second. Tan 37 degree gottagilla, you can write a diagram behind pakkadalli. 37 degree. If it is 37, the opposite 3. So it is 53. It is opposite 4. Tan 37 is perpendicular by base 3 by 4. Tan 37 is 3 by 4. Can you tell me what is tan 53? 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
4 by 3. 4 by 3. Any know with this kind of question? Diagram ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. The arrangement is as shown in the diagram. The arrangement is as shown in the diagram. Find out the value of V. Find out the value of V. The arrangement as shown in the diagram. Find out the value of V. Direct is the question. Can you find any difficulty with this?
No, sir.
No. Super. Innೊಂದು practice ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Take one more problem. If the angle between these two is 45 degree, it is moving with a velocity 4 meter per second. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ
4 meter per second.
4 meter per second.
4 meters.
4 meter per second. If angle between them is 45 degree, ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 4 simple. So next question. If the angle between them is 53 degree, if the angle between them is 53 degree, it is moving in this direction with a velocity of 20 meter per second. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜೋರ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, still ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 meter per second ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. What is the value of V?
15.
What is the value of V? So V value is what? 20 is equals to V into tan 53. What is the value of tan 53? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So 20 into 3 divided by 4 is equals to V. 1s are 5s are. V is equals to 15.
15.
15. Any doubt in this? Do you want me to waste the time by giving some more problems related to this?
No, sir.
ಬೇಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. We don't want to waste time. So this is very simple. ಇದು 20 ಇದು 20 ಇದೆ. What is the angle? 45. ಇದು 2 ಇದೆ. What is the angle? 45. If it is 45, if it is 2, what is this? 2. Correct? Fast ಮಾಡಿ. Next ಹೋಗೋಣ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಬಲ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. We will enter to movable pulley concepts. Right? Shall we move to movable pulley concept? Super.
Yes, sir.
Super. Listen to me. Next concept is movable pulley. Movable pulley. Same ideal pulley ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ movable pulley. Don't take much tension. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I have two pulleys. Pulley number 1, let me take a problem. Pulley number 2. Pulley number 1 and pulley number 2 connected like this. So the mass of 4 kg is acting. Pulley number 1 hatra ee kade 4 kg. Ee kade 4 kg. Done. So the next kayal ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. So ee kade 10 kg. This is movable pulley. Question will mention ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ the pulley is ideal. If it is movable, the pulley is movable. Are you getting my point? Question will identify ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ the pulley is movable ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ movable ಅಂತ identify ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Pulley is non movable ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ideal pulley ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. This is the question. They may ask you to find out acceleration A1, A2, and they will ask you to find out the tension. And they may ask you to find out the tension. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, tension find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And why what they will ask? They will ask you to find out an acceleration of the blocks. They may ask you to find out an acceleration of a block, and second thing, they will ask you to find out the tension. Tension na find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. They will ask you to find out the tension. Next ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ರೈಟಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Shall we start writing the forces? ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದು 10 kg ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 100 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್. ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದು 4 kg ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 40 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್. ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. It clearly indicates that 100 Newton is greater than 40 na. 100 Newton is greater than 40. Therefore, acceleration of this block is in this direction with an acceleration of A2. It very acceleration barutte because pulley is also moving. Pulley is also moving. We'll get a different accelerations here. So the acceleration of this block is A1. It is moving up. It cannot ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Any doubt in this? We know that this mass is greater than compared to this. The force here is greater than compared to this. This block will move down with a force of 100 Newton, and this block will move up with an acceleration of A1. Clear? First acceleration direction barkonga. Clear? Second, we will try to write the direction of tension. Direction of tension observe madi. This is tension which is acting in this direction. Same tension here and same tension here, and here we will be having tension called E. Any doubt with this? Writing the tension. Fast direct ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Any doubt with this? No doubt. No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
Find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು sir first. First step, whatever the problem they giving pulley, movable pulley, first find out an acceleration. First find out an acceleration. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Keep this. Hold this and write the acceleration with ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. First step by step ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ find acceleration. Find acceleration by using tension trick. By using tension trick. First step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು? Acceleration ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using tension trick. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Acceleration up, tension up. Acceleration up, tension up. Positive ಇರುತ್ತಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
Positive.
Positive.
T into A1. Correct. T into A1. Correct? T into A1. Positive or positive. So, ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. Acceleration down, tension up. Acceleration down.
Negative.
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 Negative 2T into A2 is equals to 0. Tension take ಇದೆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Instead of velocity we have acceleration ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Instead of velocity we have acceleration. Super. Let me set this to other side. T_A1 is equals to 2T_A2. So T get cancelled. A1 is equals to 2 times of A2. Sorry. First step is done. First step is ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾನು? Acceleration, find out acceleration with the help of tension trick. Done? Second step. Listen to me carefully. Find the tension by using boundary system. ಅಥವಾ individual find out. Find the simultaneous equation formula ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡೋಣ. First ನೋಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. Let me come for this system, total system. Only for this system, F net is equals to, for system number 1, F net is equals to M into A ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? F net consists of two, ಒಂದು ಚಲನ ಬಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೋಟರಿ ಬಲ. We have two forces there. Listen to me. For this block, I am asking only for this block. For this block, which is force responsible for movement?
Tension.
Tension.
T. For this block, who is opposing?
40 Newton.
3 Newton.
40 minus 40 is equals to, what is the mass of this block? 4 kg.
Okay.
4 kg into what is the acceleration of this block? A1.
A1.
call it as equation number 1. आता ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಡೆ ಮುಗಿತು, right? Similarly come for this block. Similarly come for this block. E block equal. Observe carefully and tell me which is the force which is responsible for momentum of this block.
Weight.
100.
100 Newton minus opposing forces
2T.
2T is equals to mass of this is
10.
into acceleration of this is 8. What is this equation number 2? Solve this two equation, we'll get tension. Khatam. Solve this two equation, we'll get tension. And solve this two equation, you'll get acceleration also. Right? Solve this two, you'll get acceleration also. Correct? So, yadalo one acceleration barutte, I can find out the second acceleration with this relation. Shall I start solving these two equations? You have equations solve ಮಾಡಿ try ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Shall I erase the diagram? Diagram ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. Erase ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. First step ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? Acceleration find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ by using tension trick. Acceleration of this one. A1 is equals to 2 times of A2 ಬಂತು. Done. Second step ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? For this block, I apply F into A. Sorry, F is equal to M into A formula. For this, F net is equal to M into A. So this for this, chalana wala, rokne wala into M1 into A. And then 4 into A1. First equation done. For this, I'll apply again force responsible for momentum, opposing force into M into A. Correct? Correct? Any doubt? Bega, fast again. Any doubt with this two steps? Movable pavilion 2 steps. First initial ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. It's not a difficult task, right? ಆಮೇಲೆ 30 second ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can solve this problem. ಇದೇನು difficult ಅಲ್ಲ. Shall I move? Suppose ಎರಡು equation ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, equations ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ equation ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, t minus 40 is equals to, ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, 4 times of A1 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ can I replace it as 2 times of A2 ನಾ 2 times of A2 ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಾ. suppose 100 minus 2t is equals to 10 times of A2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. into 2 into 2 into 2 done. into 2 into 2 into 2 done. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು, this 2 get cancel. Correct? So 100 minus 80. Correct? 100 minus 80 addition ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 100 minus 80 is equals to 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 16 ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ A2 plus 10 A2. Any doubt with this? Simultaneous equation. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. 20 is equals to 26 A2. Therefore A2 is equals to 20 by 26 meter per second.
10 by 13.
10 by 13. Simplify ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 by 13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Don't doubt it. Put the value of A2 in any one of the expression. You get T na. Put the value of A2 in any one of this expression. You get T na. Madam first again. Put the value of A2 in any one of the expression. Superb. Someone has calculated. Very beautiful. Put the value of AT in this expression. You get T value 100 minus 2T is equals to 10 times of 20 into 20 divided by 26. So 100 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 200 divided by 26 is equals to 2 times of T. So 2T is equals to what happens? 2T is equals to 2600 divided by 200 divided by 26. So T is equals to ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ actually. T is equal to minus 200 divided by 26 into 2. You get the value of T. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the value of T. Correct?
148.
A2 ಗೊತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. A1 is equals to 2 times of A2 20 by 26. 1s are 13s are. So A1 is equals to 20 by 30. Meet up of second square. This is how we can do this problem. Artha agidya? Idu simplify ಮಾಡಿ you get the value of T. LCM ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು 26 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿ 26 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2400 divided by 26 into 2. So ಮಾಡಿ 600 by 13 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. So 600 by 13 Newton. Did you get an idea? Actually ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We'll get a problem such a way that we can answer within a minute. Did you get an idea related to movable pulley?
Yes, sir.
Super. What is the first step? Find out acceleration by using tension trick. Second one, equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು. A calculate ಮಾಡಿ, substitute the value of A in that expression, we'll get. Super. One question ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? Shall I ask a question based on this? Very good. Simple questions ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, movable pulley ಮೇಲೆ. Listen to me now. ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. So 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Within a minute we can solve the problems, right? So question number. I have an inclination like this, 4 kg. Pulley field. So this is attached to one more pulley, and it is attached to a rigid support. So illinda mass attach ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ 8 kg. 8 kg. This is 4 kg. This is 4 kg. And the angle between them is 30 degree. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಿಷಯ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮರ್ಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಮರ್ಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 30 degrees angle, 4 is a mass, 8 kg mass, pulley, rigid support, movable pulley concept. What is the first step? Finding an acceleration. Finding an acceleration. Before that, tension direction ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ acceleration ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. So ನೋಡಿ, tension in this direction is 2t na. Tension in this direction is t na. Equal to 2t, right? So acceleration find out what is that? This is having a mass of 8 kg, so acting downwards 80, and e kade one is that what is the mass here? 4. Inclination ಇದೆ into 10 sin theta na sin 30 is mg sin theta ತಾನೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ act ಆಗ್ತದೆ mg ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ mg sin theta. What is sin 30? 1/2 la?
Yes, sir.
1s are 2s are, so it remains with 20 Newton downward. Who is greater? 80 is greater than 20. Obviously, the body is moving in this direction with an acceleration a2, and the body is moving in this direction with an acceleration of a1. A1 is equals to a2 direct variable. A1 is equals to 2 times of a2. Check out. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A1 is equals to 2 times of a2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Same direction, t into a1. Opposite direction, t2 into a2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 2 times of a2 na. Right, sir? What they are asking in a problem, we have to find out the value of a2. A step. We have to find out the value of a2. That is a problem. Find a2. Find a2. Katam. Ashte ಹೇಳಿದರು. They are asking us to find the value of a2. How we will find? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? What will apply? F into A. Sorry, F into A formula. चलाने वाला T minus opposing 20 is equals to mass 4 into A1. Done. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 80 minus 2T is equals to 8 into A2. We have to find the value of A2 then. A2 ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ multiply with 2 and substitute. 2T minus 40 is equals to 4 into 2 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2, 16 A1. 16 A2. Divided by 80 minus 2t is equals to 8k2. Add two equations. 2t get cancel. 80 minus 40 is equals to 16 plus 8 k2. So 80 minus 40 is 40. 24 k2. Therefore k2 is equals to 40 by 24. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. What is the option they have given? Work into that. If they are not, if this is an option, select 40 by 24. Any doubt with this? No? Simple agidella idu concept no? This concept is also very simple. So lengthy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, process ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, but simple.